Is that what I say? No. Yeah, okay. Hello, Central Florida. My name's Mauro Costa, your luxury home specialist, bringing yet another great opportunity in Windermere. This is a brand new property and it is absolutely amazing. Property offers 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, a game room, has a beautiful lanai summer kitchen and an awesome pool and a huge backyard. Come on, let's take a look. So as you walk in, right over here to the left, you're gonna have this beautiful dry storage for wine. It'll be illuminated with some pins in it, very modern looking. And I think you'll get that feel as we go throughout the home as well. As we go over to the right-hand side, really good sized bedroom here. Got a beautiful fan, 4 cans, and it opens right up to the front. So this can be utilized as an office or whatever you might want to use it as, but it does have its own walk-in closet and bathroom. Now the bathroom is nicely laid out, some beautiful porcelain tile. Also has 3/8 glass in the shower, quartz countertops, and slab cabinetry. Now as we come into the great room area, it's very nice and open and it is massive. You've got this really beautiful kitchen island with a waterfall edge. Then you've also got some gorgeous slab cabinetry throughout the home. Everything is soft close. You got beautiful Thermador professional appliances as well. A nice cabinet wrap hood, stainless steel refrigerator and dishwasher. Everything you would expect in a home of this caliber. Also, what you'll notice is that there's a gorgeous view of the outdoors. There's a beautiful backyard, very natural looking pool with a spa that's wrapped around with beautiful zoysia grass. Now, as we go throughout the home, you'll notice that there's some level 5 finish, so all the walls are smooth, beautiful, very, very clean, very modern details that you'll see throughout the home. Now, as we enter into the master suite, you'll notice some gorgeous ceiling detail that has been put up. There's also 2 speakers that have been installed in here for you to enjoy sound, as well as inside the bathroom. But you've got this gorgeous fixed windows that open right up to the outside, giving you a view of the pond and the lake behind you, as well as the green backyard. As you come into the master bathroom, you'll notice beautiful, very white, very clean 24 by 24 inch tile. This gorgeous freestanding tub. Again, a beautiful 3/8 glass wrapped shower with a rain shower head and gorgeous floating cabinetry throughout. Now entering into the closet, it is massive. This is kind of our storage space. This is where we're keeping a lot of things now. So they've done a really great job of paying attention to what clients are looking for today. You're in the shop. All right, so as always guys, I'm gonna keep the fun part for last and save the best for you. No, let me rewind. All right guys, as always, I'm gonna save the best for last, so we're gonna go to the fun part, the last. So as you go upstairs, guys, you'll notice these beautiful modern railings with the cable rails. It's really cool, very modern house, but extremely clean as well. Now, as we get up to here, you're gonna have this beautiful loft area, which would be great for kids to entertain over here or have a sleepover, that they can keep all their games right over here. And you've got these really nice 10-foot ceilings. Now what I love about this particular builder is they really do put a lot of thought into the home. You'll notice here there's a kind of an open section just in case you wanted to build a desk. Also, they've taken the liberty of putting a secondary laundry area, as well as the AV closet is right over here. So you can put a nice stackable here and keep everybody's laundry right here on the second floor. Now, as we go into suite number 1 up here, you'll notice it's got some really nice high traffic carpet, a beautiful walk-in closet, and its own bathroom. Now, inside the bathroom, you've got gorgeous quartz countertops, slab cabinetry, beautiful white subway tile with some nice 3D detail, and chrome fixtures. But don't forget about the view that you have from the window right here. All right, now as we go into the secondary suite up here, again, to make things fair, they've done a great job of giving both rooms a beautiful view of the backyard as well as the pond out back. And both rooms have a nice sized walk-in closet with some finished cabinetry. And the bathroom offers quartz countertops, nice chrome fixtures, slab cabinetry, and a beautiful 3/8 glass shower. All right guys, now as we head over towards the garage entry of the home, you'll notice some really fun stuff on the way. You've got this beautiful frosted glass door to enclose the pantry. And then as we come on over here, you've got another guest suite. It's a really good sized room and it's got its own bathroom, as you can see right over here. And to continue with the same theme of the rest of the house, you've got beautiful quartz countertops, slab cabinetry, nice 3/8 glass shower, and some really nice designs in the shower itself. Let's take a look at the laundry area. Now it's a really good sized laundry area. You got beautiful cabinetry right in here. You also got some nice quartz countertops and some chrome hardware to match the rest of the home. All right, before we head over to the fun part of the house, I want to point out some really nice details that I think are important that you should know about. So here you can see you've got this beautiful book match waterfall island. So the veins almost line up right perfectly together. And then you've got this gorgeous view of the spa and the rest of the backyard. Really just brings the rest of the home all together. As you come into the area that you will spend most of your time is going to be right here, the game room. It ties right into the outdoor lanai, has beautiful custom cabinetry as well as quartz countertops and a beverage refrigerator. All right, now let's take a look at the fun part of the outside. Covered lanai here is completely wrapped with power screens. It makes it a lot more enjoyable. I don't like the way that sounded at all. Come on. Bro! All right guys, now let's take a look at the outdoor lanai and summer kitchen area. I happen to love this area. It's very big, it's inviting. It also is wrapped with power screens so that you can shut this off and have these doors exposed at all times, especially with this beautiful Florida weather that we have here. Now, off to the right, you'll notice a summer kitchen. It's got a beautiful 36-inch grill, a nice sink, and some nature cast cabinetry, which holds up very well. We've also got a TV hookup here, as well as a fireplace, and it opens right up to the beautiful outdoors. Now this is really where things get real for me. Now you'll notice they've done a fabulous job with the landscaping on this property. Now you've got zoysia grass that butts right up next to the pool, which makes you feel like you're kind of in the Hamptons. I think it's very neat and a very cool idea. They've also taken the liberty of putting out white rocks everywhere, which is an added cost, and then beautiful foxtails. You also notice at the rear of the property, you have 2 foxtails that are perfectly situated so that you can put a hammock right in between and have a great place for you to read. All right guys, thanks again for taking the time out to view this beautiful property here in Windermere. Gorgeous backyard. If you want some additional information or a private tour, give me a call at 321-231-6800. See you next time.